here, back with another video. So in today's video we'll be making a very basic character in Blender which won't do anything, but still it would look like an Android logo. So let's get started. So let's launch Blender. So we'll type Blender and launch it. I'm using a Windows. If you're using Mac or Linux, then you know how to launch applications previously. So you can see, got this. We have our default cube. Let's just delete it. I hit the delete key, so you can see I can just zoom out, zoom in. This is the gizmo which we have commonly used. Hit the shift key and A key. So you have a mesh button, click on it or hover your mouse or trackpad, whatever you have, a cursor over it. After that, click on cylinder. You can see, click on the scale button, make it a bit larger, make it a bit fatter but not very fat. Let's make it a bit big. You can see it looks like, it doesn't look like the Android character. So what now I'm going to do is unselect it, do a right click on shade smooth button. You can see nothing happened, so I'll select it, do the same. You can see it got smoothed out, and this is the fun which we have light. Suppose if I delete it, you can see we have still the lights coming up, and in the background you can see it's like going dark. Let's go from the camera angle, so you can see. So we have this ready. So now let's make its head. Again shift A key, but this time we are going to go in meta ball and click on the ball button. Hit the G key on our keyboard, bring it very far. Now what we are going to do is take it from there, put it adjust for yourself, then click on the rotation button. That won't work. If you want like some kind of details to rotate, so this is the button, like these three gizmos smashed in one, which we can use, but it is like confusing. So these arrows can move, this can stretch. If we like do like something like this, it can change its shape. So what we want to do is make this thing a bit thinner. So for that, what we are going to do is hit the red square button and make it thin. You can see now it got like an eye or something like that right over here. We'll make it a little smaller. It looks nice. We hit the G key on our keyboard, we take it near the head. Now you can see it's not matching it. We'll hit the G key and bring it very near it, so you all can see it's not looking very good. Let's do the scale. I made it small due to some reason. You all would understand this reason, not right now, but after 5 to 10 minutes. So now let me tell you all why I made it small. I made it small because I wanted this to be adjusted properly on the head. You can see the Android logo is just the reference. We won't be making a character just like that. So we'll hit the shift key and A key again, click on the mesh button and search for cylinder. So you can see we have cylinder. We hit G key, we bring it near, so you can see there is very less space between. So we'll be making a neck or something like that only. We'll make it small, and you can see it's like a flat and line type of object which we don't want. We'll make it much thinner. From this red cube type of icon, we can make it much like a cylinder stick. You can just take it, drop it right over here. So you all would be thinking this is not a very good neck. I know, but still it's going fine. So you can see I have attached it to the back. What you can do is, if you want, you can attach the cylinder over here also, but I have not done it because it looks nice, much cooler over there. So now what we are going to do is hit the shift key and A key on our keyboard, and this time we are going to make the hands of it. So for that, what we are going to use it is icosphere. Hit the G key, grab it, take it to the side, do right click, click on shade smooth, make it like a little thin. Okay, stretch it a bit. So you can see, so the middle mouse wheel, which I told you, the mouse wheel in some keyboard, if you don't have it on and you are on a ThinkPad, so you would have 3 physical keys on your trackpad. Just hit the middle key and try to rotate it. You would be able to do it. If you have the mouse, press the middle mouse button and you would be able to do the same. Or if you want, you can just hit the middle key on the trackpad and rotate it as you want. So I think it's pretty fine. Let's just rotate it at the angle of the hand. I think so this much is fine. So now you all would be thinking, why do I have this like a fat and a very long? You'll get to know it in just a moment when I have my work finished. You can see, so what I'm going to do is, now I'm not going to duplicate it and paste it over here. Shift A again. This time we are going to take an isosphere, but this time we won't be making it smoother. If you want, you can make it smoother also. So let's just make it thin, and of course let's make it thin, and then let's make it long. Hit the G key on the keyboard, grab it. Now you can see it's not attached. You can see both the things are not attached. You can just hit the G key and align it. Now you can see it's attached but a little bit, so we'll just insert it into the body. Now hit the G key and like insert it. You can see, so this got in the hand. So this looks like a hand but not a very good hand. So now I'm going to hit the did not shift A. I made a mistake. We are going to do the right click and click on shade smooth. You can see now it looks very good. So now what I'm going to do is select these two. Okay, the head also got selected, so select these two, hit the shift D key, take it to the left. Now you can see we'll use the rotate button to rotate it. We have the blue wheel and just rotate it. Now you can see it's not matching the body. Hit the G key, align it. You can see it's not aligned that well. Again I'm going to hit the G key. G is for grab, so you can see I have grabbed and made two hand. So we will be making the legs. You can see it looks very ugly right now. We would be making it looking good. So for that we are going to hit the shift key, A key again, and this time if you want some cubic type of legs you can use that, but I am going to use cylinder. We are going to use cylinder a lot in this tutorial, so just hit the G key, the little cylinder, hit the G key, bring it outside of the body. select it, click on the scale button, make it longer. This size legs are fine. Make it thinner. You can see it looks like paper, so let's just make it like legs, a bit broader. It looks like legs, but still we have only one leg. We'll duplicate it in just a moment. We are going to zoom out a bit from the mouse wheel. We are going to just, as we scroll down, we do that. Hit the G key, take it below. So I think it's below. Yes, it is. Now what I'm going to do is adjust it for me. Hit the G key again and try to attach it to the body. You can see now I'll bring it forward and attach it to the body. You can see this has came little front. We would like to take it at the back, at the middle. Now you can see it doesn't looks very good right now. At this point we'll hit the shift D key, then hit the G key, or if you don't want to use that shortcut is not working on your device, click, do a right click, search for duplicate object. You can see we have the duplicate object button. You can see it previously got selected. We are going to match the size of the legs. Now you can see this is looking pretty good till now, but still now it has eyes, mouth. We would be covering it in next video. Till the time, this is a very basic character. You can see it looks pretty good till now for me. If you want to add color, then what we can do is click on the view shading button. So you can see I'm in view shading. I'm going to click now on this material properties, click on the new. It takes some time. Click on the base color icon. Now you can see, suppose I want, I can adjust the color right over here. Suppose I want it in the middle of turquoise and green. You can see I got it as I wanted. So you can see it's looking very bad. Let's search for lights. You can see we have an option as camera. If you want, you can just add a camera also. You can import image for reference. Light, we can just simply add the sun, hit the G key, take it above. So you can see we have the sun, so that it can give us some kind of light, that our character doesn't look worst. Like in YouTube videos, if we want to add a face cam, it should look pretty good. So you can see I'm going to select this, bring it right over here. You can see, so it looks from these two angles pretty nice. So we'll just do some changes right over there, adding some lights. Let's select the body, click on the new button, do the same but change the color a little bit. You can make it like a funny clown character also if you want. You can just customize it as you want. Suppose I want the other leg to be something in purple, and I want the head to be in the green, means yellowish green. And now if I select these two, click on, you can see the head is changing. So you don't, make sure that you don't click on this line, or you would have errors like I have. So you can see it's going light. We don't want that. Let's go step by step and click over here and change it. You can see I can just simply change it right over here. You can use any color you want, any color you like. You can see I'm doing it. Now I'm not pausing the video so you all can take a look that how it's working, how to make a very basic character. Now you can see the lightings are pretty dull, so we don't see our character looking very well till now. So let's add some lightings. So I'm just going to click it, do a right click, duplicate, okay, right click, duplicate, sorry, okay. You can see we have multiple lights but not one at the back, so let's take it, add it at the back, do a right click, duplicate. You can see we can do it something like this, take it at the back, so back proportion also doesn't look bad. You can see we have lots of lights surrounding this character. You can take them a little far, or you can see our basic character is ready. In some other video I'll be showing all how to fix, means how to add eyes, nose and all those kind of little detailing stuff. Till the time, this is a basic character. I hope you all understood how to do this. I'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.